Welcome back, viewers. Welcome back, Manisha. So, one of
Namaste.
the interesting questions which we have got from the viewers is, can Vastu solve all problems? Can Vastu solve all problems?
So let's see what all Vastu can solve. Okay. It can definitely solve relationship issues, right?
I think
Uh,
that is definitely required, especially with the pandemic going on and people staying inside the house. Issues
yeah.
which were never there before have started coming up. We talk about
Okay.
Zoom fatigue, but I think now there are other fatigues which are setting in.
right.
You're talking too much to me. Stop talking.
Yeah. Yeah, so you see, you are looking at these, two totally diverse scenarios and houses. Okay, there are some people who are saying that, oh, we are loving this time together, families together, and then there are those who are saying, oh God, we are pulling over here. you know, oh, it's enough. So. Yes, so relationship issues are one very, very important aspect. See, what is life all about? It's about relationships, it's about money, and it's about health. Okay.
Correct.
And these three can most definitely be addressed through Vastu, these problems. So the relationship issues, it could be between husband and wife, it could be between parents and children, it could be between the boss and the employees, it could be between a client and a business owner. It could be with a vendor. Okay. So any and every relationship issue can be addressed through Vastu. Okay. Then when we talk about money, then again we have these very diverse professions we are talking about. So why is the money not there? That has to be seen. Okay.
Right.
Is the if the business is not running, if we are talking to a businessman, then why is the business not running, right? Is there a problem with the product, or are we not able to attract the clients, or do the clients not stay? We do not get a repeat order. Okay. Maybe we don't have enough capital. Okay, maybe banks is the issue. Okay. Or so what exactly is the problem? So we go to the root of the problem and we address it from there, and we sort it from there using Vastu. Okay.
Okay.
If it's let's say a person who's unable to attract a new job for himself, or it could be that somebody in service is unable to get a promotion. Okay, that is causing an issue, that is causing a problem. Okay, so like that we have to see where exactly the problem is coming from. Okay. And if it is a factory owner, then there can be a whole lot of other issues. There could be a labor problem going on. There could be, some government policy which has affected you.
Right.
So many scenarios. So we address each and every kind of problem through Vastu. Okay.
Yeah, now I get it why you said yes, anything can be addressed.
Right.
But I still would say that 90 to 95% is a better benchmark to instead of saying all.
Oh, see, mm, I would stick to 70 to 80%, because
Okay.
that is good enough.
Hmm.
Because sometimes it's not a Vastu problem.
Right.
Sometimes the Vastu is, the Vastu that can be changed, or that can be, remedied, is not a problem.
Okay.
Maybe there's a problem with the land itself. Maybe the land is not supporting that particular work, right? Or
Right.
it could be some other factor, or it could be those cosmic energies and something
Mhm.
else which is a problem,
Okay.
at that particular time. Yeah. And then that leaves us with the health issues. So for health also, we have a particular zone, and we have particular devatas doing, responsible for the various kind of um, activities and related to the health aspects also. Okay, so most of the health issues, some, it varies, to what degree the ailment has progressed, but we can definitely remedy a lot through Vastu.
Okay,
Yeah.
good. I
And
think
any other problem, like, according to me, these three are the major things. Okay.
right.
See, relationship can extend into not having a child, right? If there is a, first and foremost, the maybe somebody is not getting married. Okay.
Correct. Yeah.
And these
A
are
lack
like
of a relationship or
lack
over
of relationship.
expectation. Yeah, all of them
Yeah,
are issues.
yeah, yeah, yeah. And then, something like not being able to have a child, right? That these are all, the various forms of relationship issues,
Right.
I would say, right? And then let us say, if we talk about children, relationship between parents and children, normally what are the issues that we are facing? If it's a small child, it is related to the studies. Okay, the child is not studying or not scoring well.
Right.
Okay, or the parents are at loggerheads. Okay, we want you to take up engineering, but the child is saying, no, I don't want to do engineering. So it is a problem related to a profession, right? So basically, when we're talking about relationship, we are talking about everything in the ambit,
Right.
right? So the money problems could also relate to not being able to save money.
Uh-huh.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. But you have enough coming in, but still there is never enough, because probably you're spending
Yeah.
too
You
much.
may be a crorepati, but still end up having no money.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Or loans to pay up,
Mhm.
right? You know. So in the health issues, it could be, something as little as, uh, you know, people having, frequent fevers or cold. We're talking about a low immunity kind of a thing.
Right.
Okay. But
That's good to know.
Mhm.
Viewers, keep posting your questions, and we will have Manisha answer them to the best possible extent. If you like these videos, click on like, subscribe to our channel, click on the bell button so that you get notified about any new videos which we are posting. Thank you and have a great day.
Thank you.